Ollie's Bargain Outlet, good stuff cheap. We found this new store that just opened up in our area called Ollie's Bargain Outlet. Ollie's has been around quite a while, but this is the first time I've ever been to one. As soon as this store opened, I had to come check it out. So join me as we do a shop with me at Ollie's Bargain Outlet.
Wow, there's lots of bargains up in here, Boo.
Saw your name on my phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going back and forth cause we don't know better. And I thought they'd be different. Yeah, we were on to some
Crap. I would say $29.99 is a decent price.
How much is it usually?
Sometimes you go to Home Depot, they want like $50. You know, sometimes Sam's Club wants close to that. So I think $29.99 is decent. Sometimes I'll wait later in the season and get a little cheaper, but then you run the risk of not getting down fast enough. So I think that's decent. $14.99 for some chairs.
Yeah.
That's cheap.
How much for that table?
What, that table?
No, that little plastic one right there.
What plastic one? What, this little guy?
Yeah.
I don't know. $99. Our price, $5.99.
I could use that camping for my drinks.
Yeah, leaf blower.
You already have one. I spent like $200 for it.
It's a Poolin Pro. It's a Husqvarna ripoff.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions, we'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it.
Inflatable salad bar, but yet they got full of beer.
Oh, wait a minute. I
Imagine-
want one of those.
Imagine that, huh? This is a Farmerware 16-piece set for only $59. Who can beat that?
Yeah.
Betty Crocker. If you can't afford $59, go to Betty Crocker. Half price, $29.99.
Yeah. That's good stuff. Cutting boards. Bakeware.
Williams Sonoma Gold, when you can get this stuff. It's gold color too, and it's a fraction of the price. It's only $7.99. And they say it's heavy gauge. What can go wrong with that?
Yay.
Yo solamente pienso en ti. Yo solamente pienso en ti.
I don't know whose brand this is, but it's a grill and panini, and it's $19.99. And it also says removes 42% of fat, just like the George Foreman says. So does that mean it's a generic ripoff of one of them?
Probably.
Oh, this is a George Foreman.
Phillips for 99, New Way for 79, New Way for 59, Chefman for 49, Chefman for 39. Here's a hot dog steamer.
I don't know, this is a nacho dog something.
Donut toaster, $9.
Steam-o-matic for hot dogs.
I want one of those. I want to try
This
it
is your
out.
Belgian waffle maker, and this didn't cost no $200, but this is an Oster.
That thing's
$20.
a piece of junk.
Probably is. A spoon. You put your food in these spoons. So you make the spoons, then you put fillings on them, and then you eat the whole thing. Edible spoon maker.
$5.99. Let's make some spoons.
$5.99.
$29. There's a slice and dice. It dices. Black & Decker. Oh my God, this smells so good.
We won't show Amy what the flavor is. Now you got to smell it. Tell me what it is.
Cheap fall leaves.
Well, to me it smells like cinnamon and apple pie and all that good stuff.
Doesn't smell like regular Yankee Candle.
Ooh, it smells like cinnamon.
Yeah, but look at it, it says American Home by Yankee Candle. That must mean it's like one of their discount lines. A Black & Decker griddle for $19.
I bet that's cheaper than the Macy's liquidation sale.
Yeah.
I bet that might end up here though. They're calling it mossy oak, but it looks camo to me.
Oh Lord, you can use that camping bowl. So I'm gonna get one of these Chefman. It's like an oven air fryer. $99. Rack it up, boom.
Where would you like this delivered, ma'am?
Right to my car.
Right to your car. Woohoo! Yum yum.